In order to do that, scroll right here and then click on this all tools. You can click on this lip sync video. And then from in here, you can upload in here an audio file. You can also put in here a sample script or record audio or create a custom voice. So for example, for this case, you can head over and then just type a script or upload audio file. So for example, let's upload in here an audio file. Let's head over and click on this. And you can see that we have in here this. So let's head over and open this. And then as you can see, I have uploaded this particular audio on this generative audio agent. Wait. So let's head over and
Welcome to the wonderful world of dogs.
so as you can see, we have that. So from in there, you can add a face if you want. So let's head over and then choose in here a face cow group. And we have now a face. So let's head over and click on got it. And then in here, you can also change up some few more things like remove watermark and a lot more. So for example, let's click on this generate right here. And then as you can see, the video will be queued and then it will start soon. So let's just wait for this to finish the loading process. You can see in here the progress bar that it will take. And when it reaches 100%, it will be done. As you can see right here, it has successfully created us our lip sync video. So let's head over and then try to play it.
Welcome to the wonderful world of dogs, where loyalty, joy, and boundless love await.
As you can see, it has successfully created that. So you can head over and click on this right here if you want to download it. So that's how you create the lip sync video on Runway. Hope we helped.